I've been thinking about building this for a month or two, but finally got out here today and did it. Woo! Yeah, landed right there in that soft spot.
Yeah.
Woo! Almost there. Pretty well from there to here's where I'm landing. So like, I don't know, bike length and a half maybe away. I've been bouncing from here down. But yeah, it'd be nice if I could make it. It's just a little windy. I've been playing with the weather all day. But hopefully we get a send in.
Oh! Oh!
For sure bent bars. Looks like the forks are a little tweaked and the rim's bent. There's a little dimple in the rim, but yeah, definitely a big crash. Didn't have it on GoPro, of course. And then yeah, so that was pretty much third gear wide, that crash. And I think either I let off at the end because I was a little chicken shit, or I just didn't have enough gear. So maybe next time I'll try to click fourth and just hit it steady. But yeah, feeling pretty rough right now, boys, that's for sure. But keep her wide open and make sure to like and subscribe. Right on.